About this property-comfortable accommodations, ARK Canary Wharf in London offers adults-only apartments with kitchenettes, private bathrooms, and parquet floors. Each unit includes a dining area, seating space, and modern amenities such as free Wi-Fi and streaming services, facilities and services. Guests can enjoy a fitness center, swimming pool, sauna, and steam room. Additional facilities include a 24-hour front desk, elevator, coffee shop, full-day security, and luggage storage. Paid off-site private parking is available. Dining options, breakfast options include continental, à la carte, full English/Irish, and gluten-free. Warm dishes, fresh pastries, fruits, and juice are served in a dining area. Location and attractions, located 4.3 miles from London City Airport, the aparthotel is a 7-minute walk from Docklands and 0.9 miles from Canary Wharf Underground Station. Nearby attractions include West Ham and the Tower of London, each 3.7 miles away. Boating is available in the surroundings. Couples in particular like the location. They rated it 8.1 for a 2-person trip.